Hi everyone, welcome back to Sticks and Stones Woodcarving. It seems like the patterns are helping a lot of people. We are going to be doing some carving videos, like I said, very soon because I'm almost set up for that. But in the meantime, we're still going to be making drawing videos, and we're going to be doing a lot of them all the time. I think they're really helpful to people from the feedback I'm getting. We're going to do another bear since I did promise you 3, and I think a lot of the people want full-size carvings or patterns and drawings for chainsaw carving. And a lot of times that's kind of tough when you're getting into chainsaw carving to be able to get a full-size bear or a full-size anything, right, without having some kind of drawing reference to go by. So we're going to do a big bear. This will be the third one that we're going to do, and it's going to be a black bear, okay? All right, so grab your paper and pencil, come over to the paper here, and we're going to start this one with a nose. Alright, I'm going to come down. I'm just going to make a circle like this, and we'll come over like that, and that's where we're going to go from. Right, now let's make a nose here. Probably about here. I don't like, pencil ran on me there a minute, but let's color that in. Okay, now from here we're just going to give them a little bit of a mouth, just like that. I always like to put the nose or the eyes off to the side a little bit, so if you think that looks weird, that's just me. Okay, let's draw a nice small eye here. We'll come over to this side and we'll do another one, because they do come right off the nose. Alright, now we could just make circles. Alright, and color those in. Alright, good. Now let's come up here. Right about here, I guess. We don't want it too high, okay? Right about here. We'll come over, and we'll draw that little hump for his head that we always draw. Think of like the center here, okay? And black bears have pretty big ears, so what we're going to do is give them a good size ear. And over here, we're going to do the same thing. About here, we're going to draw a big ear. Okay, now we could take our head, draw a line down, come up here, draw a line down. Alright, that starts his head. We're pretty good. We got the eyes in, got our nose, got our little mouth. Let's come down a little bit, and let's start giving him a body. Alright, so from here, I'm going to come down and give him just a little bit of a shoulder. And then when we get to about here, I want you to draw a line like that, so he can start putting his hands in. I'm also going to give him a center line about here, so I know where about I want to keep everything. Alright, now over this side, we're going to come down. And this is pretty far down when you're making a carving, right? Because when they stand up, they're really taller than you think, you know. So make it pretty long. We're going to come over here and we're going to come down, over, and up, about like that. Right? He's going to be holding his legs like that. So we're going to put some toenails here, because this is going to be one paw. But just give him some claws. Okay. And over here on this side, right where this line that we drew in, right, we're going to come down, over. We're going to go up and meet that line. Okay. And kind of attach his chest like that. Now he's gonna, let's give him some claws here. Just little points for our pattern. And you put them in when you carve. Okay, Good. There's not much to them, like I said. Really, you get a big log. If you can get this shape, you got your bear pretty much nailed. Alright, I'm going to come down there. And we don't want to make them too skinny, but we don't want to make them too fat either. I'm going to come down on this side. Alright, now I'm doing the same thing. I'm coming over, just making a square for now, and up. But we're going to stop short because they don't have big long legs. This right here, I'm just coming straight over. Then we're going to give them some claws here. Alright. However many claws you're going to do there. Alright. Now, about here, let's take that down to this side. And the same thing. We're just going to kind of cut over. Alright. We're not going to go super nuts. Bring this arm. Arm. Bring the leg down. And just kind of make it flat. Alright. And then give them claws. I don't have a line there, but I want to make it a little thicker. And it's just my pattern. Alright. Now there's not much more to do on this bear, except shade them in, give them some personality. Like, you know, you can give them eyebrows, you can do whatever you want. And you can do all the hair. Alright, let's do his ears by closing those in a little. And we can shade them. But our pattern is really those lines. Alright, anything after that is just dressing up your picture. And if we're going to do a pattern, you want to make it look nice. And I'm just coloring his ears in here. Okay, now we can start with our hair. But it's good practice when you're doing the hair drawing, because you should follow the hair pattern with your carving. This side kind of goes to the right from the center line, you know, here's your center line. And the hair, you know, you want to kind of make realistic the way it would flow on the bear. So, try and keep that in mind when you're making these lines with your tools. Makes for a lot better carving. I'm just going to go around and put lines in to make them interesting. Otherwise this video will be pretty short today. And I get a marker out when I'm doing a big tree, and I just kind of put an outline on the log, and I get my outline, and then I just go nuts with the chainsaw. And once I carve that shape out, it's all about detailing them out, you know. So I'm just going to give them all a bunch of fur. A little bit of shading here and there. Now, you don't have to put these lines in. Like I said, I'm just trying to make the video a little bit longer, otherwise it'd be done and just be kind of an outline. So, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here. We're definitely going to be putting stuff on all the time now. I'm pretty much going full-time carving again and full-time YouTube. So, I'm going to be constantly checking YouTube, constantly uploading. Tell your friends, share the videos. Let's get some subscribers going. Definitely help support the channel. Share. I would like to get the videos out there. And let's build a big channel. I'd like to do some live events this summer. Carving. That'd be great. I think it'd be fun. Be able to see who actually is watching. Talk to you in person. Carve with you. So I'm just outlining stuff now, and it's just my own personal. I don't think I won't save this and use it myself. Mainly to look at, you know. But there you go. All right, we have ourselves a nice little bear pattern. Well, it's a big bear pattern, actually, of a standing bear. And this you can make, like I said, you could do them as a chainsaw carving, or you could just make a figurine out of it. Right? You could even just trace it on a flat piece of wood and make a little relief carving. All right. So that's the third bear. I did promise you 3. Again, I'm Kevin. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so when we do upload a new video, you get notified. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.